Hello everyone, my name is Bansal and I with my team Mudassir Ali and Satyam Gupta are here to tell us about our summer internship 2020 experience at UST India Software Private Limited. So as all of you know that we are all going through the pandemic. So our internship started in the month of April 2020 when the pandemic had just started spreading in India and nationwide lockdown had taken place. Hence, our internship was converted to a virtual mode, and it was one of my first work from home internships. We met our mentor and guide, Dr. A.K. Sinha, who is the director at UST Software India Limited. So our first call where he met him was done through video conferencing, and he told us about this amazing project that we had to do. So the project that he gave us was such a current project, and we thought that it would help the society right now. So the problem statement which was given to us was analyzing the effect of COVID-19 or coronavirus on human development index of different countries and predicting the number of cases per million according to their GDP. As the internship was done virtually, we took Google Colab as the platform to collaborate because of its massive library support, and we took Python as the main programming language because of its machine learning library support. As our goal was to identify the effect of this pandemic on different countries, which will give us a hint about their capabilities, health system, and different policies adopted by them during this pandemic and their effectiveness. Hence, we chose three different data sets for this project, which had a data of around 190 countries. And now I will show you about the data sets.
I'm Mudassir Ali, and I would like to showcase the methodology that we applied to work on our problem statement. So, all the data set that Naman explained were used to prepare the final data for our machine learning models. Initially, there were approximately 51 features, and after visualizing and calculating correlation between each of the feature vectors, we narrowed it down to 6 columns, namely Human Development Index, deaths per million, GDP per capita, urban population, energy production, and last but not the least, cases per million, which is nothing but our output column. We have tried multiple ML models and also the visualization techniques that I will be showing you right now through IPython notebook.
Hello everyone, I am Satyam Gupta, a final year student of Computer Science Engineering at Bennett University. Recently we completed our summer internship at UST Software Private Limited, and I would like to share our experience of how this internship helped us gain our knowledge base and what did we learn from this experience. It was my first industrial internship of 2 months, but unfortunately due to the COVID situation, we were forced to work from home rather than an actual office setting. But fortunately, we got an opportunity to work upon our problem statement, which is analyzing the effect of COVID-19 on Human Development Index of various countries and predicting the cases per million according to their GDP. This analysis would further give us an insight on how well a country is coping through the situation and how strong does their economy hold through the pandemic. This was the first time that I had worked upon a problem so novel that there is very scarce research and very less data available. So a considerable amount of our time was invested into gathering useful data and then deciding upon the appropriate data sets. Then each data was carefully pre-processed according to the correlation between different feature vectors, and then each data was visualized using different probability distribution curves. Furthermore, we tried and developed machine learning models using different validation matrices. Our conclusion was that the point that there is a relation between Human Development Index and the number of cases per million. Although the accuracy achieved was not so great, but as more data will be available through different resources over time, our prediction model will definitely get more efficient. This internship gave us an experience of working and researching on the collection of real-world data, their pre-processing, visualization, comparison and filtering techniques, plus exploring various AI/ML models and also fine-tuning their parameters, as well as exploring multiple packages and libraries. Furthermore, we also realized the importance of learning neat quality and well understandable coding practices in an industry. Devising effective strategies and planning out the execution of projects with time management skills to timely deliver the tasks are also an addition to our skill set. Although the work from home imposed physical barriers, we would like to express our special gratitude to Dr. A.K. Sinha, the Director of UST, who made himself available over multiple meetings to guide us and provide feedback on the project, thus providing us with a true exposure of corporate work experience. We are also thankful to Bennett University for providing us with such an opportunity and encouraging students to take part in such internships. In the end, we would like to say that working on this project was very knowledgeable, and the work from home fashion made it quite fun and had its own learning curve. Thank you.